así? No, no, no. Así. Hi everyone, the word of the day is así. Así. Don't forget the accent mark on top of the letter I. Así has quite a few meanings, and today we will just learn the basics of this word. It's quite important to learn this Spanish word because it's a very common one and you will hear it for sure when learning Spanish. Así is a Spanish adverb and it means like that or like this. Así works perfectly with the Spanish verb ser, which means to be. So in a sentence, you will see the verb ser and así. Así works with feminine and masculine nouns, and also it works with different Spanish verbs. Así doesn't have a plural form. Now, let's see a few examples. Yo soy así. Yo soy así. Miguel es así. Miguel es así. Así son ellos. Así son ellos. ¿Por qué eres así? ¿Por qué eres así? Así also works with different Spanish verbs. Now let's see a few examples. Así hago galletas. Así hago galletas. Tienes que correr así. Tienes que correr así. No me hables así. No me hables así. ¿Por qué me miras así? ¿Por qué me miras así? Así can also work with different nouns, feminine or masculine. Let's see a few examples. Me vería bien con un vestido así. Me vería bien con un vestido así. Quisiera un trabajo así. Quisiera un trabajo así. Un viaje así debe ser costoso. Un viaje así debe ser costoso. Lastly, así can also be used by itself. For example, así, así, or así, así. As you can see, así can be used in different ways, but essentially just means like that or like this. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Go to smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave me some examples down below using así. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!